Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a donut gag prismatic. First, ensure you have your donut-shaped base, whether it's a store-bought prop or one you've crafted yourself from lightweight foam. Next, gather your prismatic materials, such as holographic vinyl or iridescent tape. You'll also need precision cutting tools like a craft knife or sharp scissors, and a ruler for accurate measurements. A clean, well-lit workspace is essential for this detailed project. Before applying any prismatic film, thoroughly clean your donut prop. Any dust or debris will prevent proper adhesion. Measure the circumference and width of your donut to determine how much film you'll need. Carefully cut your prismatic vinyl or holographic tape into strips or shapes that will conform to the donut's curves. Aim for pieces that are easy to handle, perhaps 2 to 3 inches wide, to avoid wrinkles during application. Now for the exciting part, applying the prismatic film. Begin by peeling a small section of the backing from your film. Carefully align it with the donut's surface and press down, working slowly to avoid trapping air bubbles. Use a craft squeegee or even a credit card to smooth the film outwards from the center. Overlap subsequent pieces by about 1/8 of an inch to ensure a complete and seamless prismatic coverage around the entire donut. Once all the prismatic film is applied, carefully trim any excess material using a very sharp craft knife for clean edges. For enhanced adhesion and to help the film conform to curves, you can gently warm it with a hairdryer on a low setting. Finally, consider applying a clear, non-yellowing protective spray coat to safeguard your work. This will ensure your dazzling prismatic donut gag remains vibrant and durable for many uses.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.